I'm going to cut my box hedge. It should have been done in August time really, but yeah, I've got the edge cutter now, so I'm going to do my box hedge. Then I'm going to do a couple of hedges around the front. So I'll get on and do that. I'll put you on a time lapse. I'll show you the box hedge before, then I'll put you on a time lapse. Then we go from there. Right, this is the box hedge that I'm going to cut. This bit here goes all the way up to there. And I've got this little one here as well that I need to do. But I need to, I've got a couple over there that I need to move, one from there to there, because one died obviously. So yeah, but right, I'll put you on a time lapse and I'll show you me cutting that. Admittedly, that hedge cutter is a bit OTT for my garden, but yeah, it's a work one, so yeah, I'm not surprised. But there you go, looks a bit better. Not perfect, but hey, it'll do. Mind you, it's not that old really. This one's coming up quite nice, starting to thicken out. But yeah, that'll do, won't it? Give it 1 or 2 more years, mate, and it should be pretty good. It's still got like filling gaps like this. Look, there's nothing there really, but it's getting there. So, alright, I'll take you out the front and show you what I'm doing in the front now then. Right, this is a horrible thing to cut, but this needs cutting as well. As you can see, it's got quite long strands and all sorts. I need to get up there actually and take some of them shoots off of that rambling rose as well, but I need to cut this back as well, and I'm going to shape this as well. I'll put you on a time lapse for this one, but I'll just get on and cut that one and that one, and I'll put you on a time lapse for that one. So I'm going to do something a little bit different with that one. Right, I've done that one. And that one as well, nice and tidy looking. I just need to put you on a time lapse and do that one. So I'll get you on time lapse and I'll show you afterwards. looks a bit horrible, yellow and bare, but once it starts growing back, you'll be surprised. But I'll bring you back once it starts greening up and growing, and I'll show you. Right, I'm in the polytunnel now that I've done all them hedges. Right, I've got a few of them seedlings that I've sown the other week. They've come up now. They're going to need to be pricked out now as well. And I need to replace a cabbage that I put in here. I'll show you what's happening with that. I think the older slugs are having a field day with that. But if you haven't subscribed yet, bell's down in that corner. Click on the bell, click on all, and you'll get my notifications. Right, I'll show you with these seedlings now. Sounds like it's just starting to rain as well. These are these seedlings I was on about. This is the winter radish, red meat. So I'm going to need to take them, that pot full's well heavy. I'm going to take them, put them on the bench because I'm going to need to prick them out. And I've got a load of kohlrabi that I can prick out as well, so they can go on the bench. These are the Elsa Craig. Nothing's showing as yet. Oh yeah, what's that? There possibly could be one there. So we'll see how we go with them. But this is the cabbage that's been eaten by the slugs. I've just put that on there. Luckily it's my cauliflower. They've just started on it by the looks of it. So I've put that on there. So once I put a new cabbage in here, I'm going to put this around it straight away. So I'll get this transplanted and put that on there. I'll show you that afterwards. So, right, let me get you set up so I can prick these out. Right, I'm going to empty this spent compost into that bucket so I can stack up these pots and get them out of the way, so that'll give me a bit more space. But a couple of these peppers have started shooting again, especially that one, so I think I'm just going to try and overwinter them too and see what happens with them. So I'm going to empty these pots out in here now, and it'll give me a bit more space. I can get them pots away, then I'll get on and prick them seedlings out, I think. I've put all of that compost in there from my peppers, and if you know me, you know I like to recycle, reuse and all that. So I'll get one of my buckets out, I'll put some of that in there. I've got some blood, fish and bone in there. I'll mix some of that up, and I'll use that to put my seedlings in. So let me get that mixed up first, and then I'll come back to you. Right, I've done 4 pots with that spent compost, and I've put a bit of bone meal in. So all I'm going to do is dip a hole. Dig one of these out. Let me remove that. Put them in there like that. I'll probably top him up a little bit as well, actually. And again. Oh, let's pick a good one. That one there. Nice deep hole. Chuck him in there. Get a bit more compost. I'm going to put these in a water bath. I'll show you. I'll put them in there and I'll show you afterwards. So let me get up and prick a few of these out. I'll do the same with the kohlrabi. It's not as big, but it'll be all right. I'll prick that out as well, and then I'll come back to you afterwards and show you in the water tray. I'm going to leave these kohlrabi a little bit longer so they get a little bit bigger. But this is how many winter radish I've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winter radish pricked out and put in a water bath. I need to probably going to have to put a bit more water in there because that compost is really dry. I've replanted this cabbage with the scurrying pad around it to hopefully stop the slugs from eating it. And this is the cauliflower snowball now. So yeah, still need to build this bed and stuff, but yeah, I'll get round to it. I'll probably cut it during the week, then I'll probably show you next week me building it. Then I'm gonna tip this compost in there to start my bed in here, I think. Right, that's gonna be it for this week. So thank you for watching, commenting and subbing. If you haven't subbed yet, bell's down in that corner. Click on the bell, click on all, and you'll get my notifications. I'll get this bits of wood cut up, ready to build that bed next week, I think. So, right, that's going to be it for this week. All right, catch you later. Bye.